In this video, I'm going to show you how I repurposed the canvas and made modern texture art. Keep watching. The materials I used were plastic drop cloth, spatula, paint brushes, patching plaster, black and white acrylic paint, painter's tape, and the old canvas. I started with scraping all the beads and glitter from the canvas. Then I placed a plastic drop cloth to protect the floors. After mixing the patching plaster, I just threw it in wherever. I didn't have any specific design in mind, so I just went for upward and downwards motion to make the texture, focusing more in the areas where it already had texture from the beads and the glue. And as you can see, I used longer strokes to spread the plaster and short strokes to create texture. Up, down, up, down. I know Mr. Miyagi would be so proud of me. Drop an emoji if you are a Karate Kid or Cobra Kai fan. But then I remembered I wanted to add a frame and I forgot. So I just removed around an inch of the plaster and used painter's tape to cover the area I was going to paint as the fake frame. This also helped me to make the frame even on all sides. I covered the rest of the canvas in the same downwards motion, let it dry, and then removed the painter's tape. Then it was time to paint the fake frame. I used black acrylic paint and short strokes to make sure I covered everything. But then I noticed that I was almost about to get black paint all over the white plaster and mess this whole thing up. Painter's tape to the rescue once again. I made sure that the plaster was completely dry before putting the tape on and just finished painting all the frame with confidence and not being afraid to mess it up. To check out the description box, it has the links for the materials I used in this video. The next step was to paint everything inside the frame white. I used acrylic paint and a small brush, but I should have used a bigger brush. Finally, I used these super easy and renter-friendly canvas hangers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.